Hi everybody, my name is Samaya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am a small business owner of Menino Tea Needle Embroidery Machines. And today one of you guys requested in my comments that I do like a vlog slash work with me day slash tour of my room, of my workspace rather, and I'm here to do that. So it's currently 8 a.m. I just took my daughter to school, and usually when I take her to school, I immediately come downstairs and work. My husband and I work together here, but for today's video, I kind of kicked him out. So it's just gonna be me today. So I'm gonna turn on my machines. And this is the other side that I usually don't show. I usually show that side of my room. I feel like it's more aesthetically pleasing over there. So I'm gonna turn them on. Turn on these machines right over here. I'm sorry if you guys hear some noise in the background. That's my washing machine. I do work in my basement and my laundry room is right over there. All right, you guys, so here's my workspace where all my machines are. So I'm in the basement of my home. Excuse my tripod right there. And there's all my machines. I have them all in one spot. That way I can work. And it's a little bit of a walk sometimes, but it's not a big deal. I got 3 tables right over there. This is a dining room table, but like we needed something wide. So I printed my labels already so I could get working on those. I have a hooping station. I usually like to hoop right over here and like fold my clothes and then put them over there. And this is my packaging station. So we only sell a lot of one sweatshirt, and I like to prepare as much as I can to save time because obviously time is money. So this glitter, I pre-cut them into the sizes I need and got them ready. So anytime I want to do this shirt, I just grab one piece. This is currently what's selling for St. Patrick's Day with us. So I pre-cut them and I put them right here for when I use it. On this side, I have my heat press. Here's my little inventory section. I would be lying if I told you I have some type of code or anything, but I don't. I just kind of have, it's like 3X, 2X, small, medium over there, and large. My extra large is over there. I wish I could be more organized, you guys, but this is the best I could do it. Like, I cannot. For some reason, this gets really messy sometimes. I wish I could have like color code stuff and like be like all white on the bottom and all blue on the top, or I wish I could do that, but I just can't. We sell too many colors and it gets messy. Like especially when you have a lot of orders, it's really hard like to stay organized and have everything like, I get jealous when I see these girls like have everything all organized and stuff. But in reality, when you're a mom and you have that mom guilt, like you're not spending time with your kids, I don't know, you just don't have time for that. So this is the best I could do, and it's not bad. So, and this is me when those days that I feel motivated, which rarely ever happens. I do some workouts, but rarely ever happens. This box right here is filled with clothes that are either ruined or they came ruined from the manufacturer. So sometimes if you guys buy from like Jiffy or SS Active, the shirts come damaged. Like they have oil stains and stuff on them. And you can't sell that to a customer, obviously. So we just throw them in this pile. And we don't throw them away necessarily. We use them to test our designs that we make on Hatch. And to be honest, this is my husband's mess. I don't even know what the hell that is. And that's pretty much it for the tour. So it's all my machines in one spot. I have my hooping station, my folding station, my packaging station. And then I have inventory, and I have those boxes that I need to take out and do. And then I have threads, obviously, and I have a closet full of them. Glitters, I do sell glitters. If you guys look at my YouTube channel, I did a video of how I do it. So I fold them and put each label between each shirt. So I got each sweatshirt and each label. So the sweatshirt label, I got them all ready. That way, all I have to do is take one out, hoop it, and put it on the machine. So, and the label says what the shirt is. So all I have to do is just click it, put it on my USB, and boom. Time to oil these machines. All right, so all three of these machines are doing, except that one, are doing embroidery glitter applique. So they all did the first placement stitch, which if you see here, you could see it. It's on ash, so it's pretty hard, and I did make it white on purpose. So right here, and I cut that part off. Right here, it says Lucky. So that's where I know where to put the glitter. So I'm gonna go on each one and place the glitter. All right, so this machine is done embroidering the glitter. So I took it out, and now I'm gonna rip this glitter off because it's gonna embroider clovers right here. It's gonna do another placement stitch, and then I'm gonna add more glitter. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is so satisfying. You don't have to be perfect either. I mean, we're gonna go back and clean it anyway. All right, that looks good. Add it back into the machine. So I'm gonna make sure I lift my stabilizer, and I'm making sure that the bottom part of the shirt goes under this so it doesn't stitch together. Pressing it back. Everything looks good on this side. So now I'm gonna click, oh gosh, go, and it's gonna do the placement stitches for the gold part. Got my 3 gold pieces, glitter, and I put some glue on the back of it already. And somebody asked me if this jams my machine. It doesn't. So I don't like put a whole bunch of every square inch. No, I just put a little dab in the middle right there, and I've never come across any issues. So I'm gonna stick it down like that. Doing glitter is so fun. You guys don't understand. I mean, it takes a lot more time than doing like a normal embroidery that doesn't include glitter, but it's definitely fun, and it's actually not as bad as it seems. So I'm gonna let it click go, and those are gonna stay put. And it's all done. So I take it out the machine, and whenever I'm free, I'll clean this up and put it on the heat press. So I have my last 3 embroidering on these machines. I don't like to waste time, so I'm gonna go and package those orders, unfill those boxes, clean up the glitter, and I have a bunch of stuff to do. So there's always something to do as I'm working. There's no break. These are my tags for my sweaters. I kind of ran out. I could never do anything right. So I ran out recently, and I just got my package full of them. I'll put it in the description where I got these. Honestly, my husband buys them. I really don't do any of that. No matter what, the label always stays with the shirt, and I always double check before I package it anyway. And this is that automatic heat press I told you guys about one in one of my videos. If you didn't see that video, this is just an automatic heat press that I got from Amazon. I love it. It's an absolute game changer. So I just push it in, and then it's on automatic, so it goes down, and then when it's done, it releases itself. And it's really convenient for me, especially because I have so many machines that I'm like back and forth, as you guys saw. So it releases by itself. That way I don't have to worry and do it all. So yeah. And 2 of these sweatshirts need sleeves, which I'll do real quick with you guys. As you can see, it released itself. Bang. Piece of glitter. And hold on to it just a little bit. It's done, and I'm gonna rip the glitter off. And this is actually scraps that I've used, like from the Lucky on the chest that I ripped off. These, oops, just hit the camera. These are actually scraps that I just kind of cut off and put on here, so I'm not wasting any glitter. So this is the PR680. Somebody asked me if I can show how I assign colors. By assign colors, I'm thinking they meant like on the machine, I suppose. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna show the person how I do that. So I picked up my image. This is just a random image that I have. And so we need red and blue. I don't have red and blue on my machine, but let's just say we're gonna do green and yellow. So green is on number 6 and yellow is on number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So say I wanted to do the red green, I would do 6. So that's my red. And then I wanted to do the blue part yellow, I'm gonna put 1. All right, and then I'm gonna click OK and click embroider. Now it's already on 6 and 1. So if I want to make multiple shirts, it's gonna stay at 6 and 1, if that makes sense. This is confusing. We can change the colors on the machine itself. Now you can see I have my green at 6 and my 1 as yellow. And say I don't want that yellow border right here. I'll click this little squiggly line with an X, and the machine is gonna take it off. So now I only have the green, and it's not gonna embroider the yellow anymore, and it's only at 9 minutes. So that's how you do it, to the person that asked. And it's a lovely machine. I do like it a lot. It's actually new. I got it maybe a month ago, 2 months ago. And it is 10:51. I finished about, I would say 25 sweatshirts. That's with those 2 sleeves. And that's pretty good. I mean, I used all my machines for that. So I've been here for almost 2 hours. And now it's time for me to go pick up my daughter. So usually I would clean this place up, sweep the floors. I don't usually mop every day, but I do mop. I have a Roomba that goes around. So even after I sweep the floors, I let my Roomba go around and clean everything, and it goes underneath these machines, which is nice because these machines do produce, these machines do produce like dust. So that's what I would do. But I actually don't have time right now because I want to start my car and do all that fun stuff. But that's what I would do after this. Turn off all my machines. I do have 2 more sweatshirts that I need to make really quick before I leave. So I'm going to turn those on and go pick up my kid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how this is my everyday life. This is how I work. Make the sweatshirts, all that fun stuff, send them off to the post office. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this vlog. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!